Suddenly, me and my friends were trapped in an island where no human can be saved. As we realized we were trapped, we started to find what we had that would come handy.
Okay.
At first, we found a knife. With that, we started to sharp our barbs to make a fishing spear. As we are fishing, the thirst is starting to make our throats dry. Soon we realized we need clear water to survive. We started looking for the water purifier that one of us had in their bag. Gladly we found it. Therefore, we could drink safe water and started to go back to fishing. We caught a lot of fishes, enough for every one of us to survive on. Then we needed to cook that fish, so we started to rub the barbs we made earlier and started to make a fire. We have been going like this for almost 1 week. Suddenly, we heard a ship near as we started to prepare our inflatable raft and take our flare gun with us. As soon as we came near to the ship for them to notice us, we used the flare gun up high in the sky. Soon the notice passed, and that's how we returned home safe.